Scorpio, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. Thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments and your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Scorpio, let's see what is coming for you for the month of November 2020. What is coming for the Scorpio people? Guys, these are just the insights for you to stay focused on those things which can be helpful for achieving the blessings from the universe, and just stay away from those things which can be a blockage in the way of your happiness and success. So yeah, guys, let's see what is coming for the Scorpio. Let's get the deck for you guys. Scorpio, two cards really want to come out. Okay, so Chariot and the Three of Pentacles. Wow. So someone really wants to come forward to work things out. Beautiful. Beautiful energy. I hope you can see the cards. Cancerian energy, your fellow water sign, and maybe an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. So yeah. Okay, let's see. World card. Seven of Cups, Moon. So Capricorn, because this is Saturn rules Capricorn, and this is Cancer, Pisces, twice Cancer energy. Six of Swords, Lovers, Gemini energy, beautiful. Knight of Pentacles, Virgo. Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, definitely an earth sign or maybe a water sign. Two of Pentacles. We have so many Pentacles energies here. So I'm feeling that Scorpio, whoever is this person, okay, they were maybe not making any move in the recent past, but recently, like suddenly they have some kind of epiphany maybe, and now they really want to work things out with you. Like you are doing nothing, and this person is like, you are doing work on yourself. You are trying to make yourself a better version of yourself, okay? And whoever is this person, they think that yeah, Scorpio will be miserable without me. But when they hear from anyone, maybe from your whoever, your friends, or something like that, I'm feeling that they have heard something from the person you are in contact with, that you are doing great, that you are doing fabulous, that you are amazing right now without them, okay? And that's why they think that they want to know, like, what is the reason, what is the secret, like, of your happiness right now, because this is their belief maybe, that without them you were miserable, you will be, but you're not, you're doing great. And that's why I'm feeling that they are going to have some kind of epiphany, and they are going to make a move very soon to work things out with the Three of Pentacles. Okay, beautiful. Okay, this is World card, Seven of Cups, and the Moon. I'm feeling that there is going to have a new beginning for you, in which you will have so many options, so many opportunities, so many chances to achieve new things in your life, to start something beautiful and something stable, because this is Capricorn energy, okay? So stability. And with this Moon energy, with this deep secretive energy, yeah, you're also trying to deal with these secrets of yourself, because you want to be the best version of yourself. This is the vibe I'm getting again and again. You want to be the best version of yourself, which is beautiful. That's why you just don't want to be no more confused, no more immature. You want to be in the higher vibe, okay? So that's great. Six of Swords, Lovers, and the Knight of Pentacles are telling me that yeah, you're moving on your right path, and you are trying to be in the balanced position of your that divine masculine, divine feminine energy, because this is also that. And I'm feeling that there is a stable offer coming for you, and you don't know, and then you need to decide from that. Like you really want to take that offer, or you just don't want to deal with it. Okay, so yeah. Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, I'm feeling that this person, whoever is this King of Pentacles, maybe this is the same person coming towards you with an offer, with a very passionate offer, very stable offer, and they really wants to work things out with you. And then you need to decide, like, because this is very sudden, so that's why you want some time, because you just don't want to take any sudden decisions for yourself. You just don't want to rush things out. Okay, so yeah, you want to take it on a moderate level. So yeah, you will think about it. You will definitely think about it. Okay, so yeah, let's see, where is this Chariot here? So let's see, where is this Chariot here? Where is this Chariot here for the Scorpio? Star, Queen of Pentacles, wow, and the Tower. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, beautiful. See, Ten of Swords, bottom of the deck. This person really don't want things to end with you. They want a new beginning with you again. Yeah, okay, see, this is the Star card. This is hope, this is reconciliation, this is like second chances. You're not looking at the second chances, you're looking at the crumbling of the tower. Yeah, so you are maybe not trusting this person. That's why you are taking time. That's why you are saying to this person that I need some time for thinking about it, for saying yes or no, for deciding about it. So whoever is this person, maybe an Aquarius, Scorpio energy is still here. You are nurturing, you are beautiful, you're loving, you were very, I'm feeling that nurturing to this person, and they haven't appreciate you. Okay, and then when you are moving on, when you are starting a beautiful new chapters of your life, and you are doing great on your own, this person is coming back. And that's why you are now looking at that breakup, that yeah, you did this to me and now you're coming back. I need some time. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting. Let's see, what is this World here? What is this World card here for the Scorpio? What is this World card here for the Scorpio? Five of Swords, Sun, beautiful energy, King of Swords. Yeah, I'm feeling that this is your energy, very determined, very logical, very direct to the point, very right. Okay, and with the Sun energy, maybe this is a person of yours, a Leo. Yeah, you know that this person was just in the past they were just me, and they were just trying to control everything, and they were trying to be the cold person. Okay, and you were trying to be the nurturing person, like, yeah, I need to do this so that they can appreciate me, I need to do this so that they can appreciate me. But this person never appreciates you, never. And that's why things crumble down. That's why, because you are the water sign, you want emotional that you want that satisfaction from this person as well. Like, you want them to appreciate you because of you are doing great, because you were nurturing, because you are doing all the work. Okay, and this person was a controlling freak, and they were just like, yeah, I am the best person. Okay, so they didn't appreciate you. This is the vibe I'm getting. So that's why you are now not trusting this person, because you think that, yeah, this will again turn into the ego games. Okay, so yeah, let's see. What is this Moon here? What is hidden from you? Hanged Man in reverse, beautiful, King of Wands, and Nine of Pentacles. Oh wow. Eight of Wands in the upright position, Bottom of the deck. Communication. So this person wants to end all those delays which they were making in the past. This is the vibe I'm getting. With the moon card, you don't know that this person wants to break their silence, wants to take an action towards you, because you are now doing great. So whenever you're doing great, this person comes to you, and when they get you, and you were doing right thing for themselves, for yourself, and they were feeling like, yeah, maybe they were, like they were feeling that controlling energy. Then they want to control you. Now they want to come towards you, and when you are with them, when they got you, when they got the prize, they want to control you. So I'm feeling that this person is trying to be the enlightened person right now, okay, because they think that, yeah, I need to change my intentions, I need to change my perspective, I need to change my actions, maybe. So this person is, I'm feeling they're working on themselves a little bit, and this is, you don't know, you think that this person is the same person, and that's why you're not trusting this person. Okay, let's see what is this Lovers here. Nine of Cups. Wow, beautiful. Judgment. And the Wheel of Fortune. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. When this person will come to you, Eight of Swords energy, you will feel a block again. You will feel a little bit stuck again. You will feel that, yeah, why did they come again? Because maybe in the past they were not doing anything, they were not taking any action, they were not making any moves. So you think that, yeah, still they are in the same pattern, they are on the same frequency level, but they are not. I'm telling you, they are not, because they have gone through some kind of tower moment, okay, and this tower moment has shake them to the core, okay. And I'm feeling that that's why they are coming fast at you, that's why they are trying to rebuild the connection, okay. That's why they really want to work things out with you, and they just don't want to waste any time. See, Hanged Man in the reverse, they just don't want to waste even a second without you. So now it's up to you. You need to trust the process of the universe, okay, and follow your intuition, do which is right for you, because this person, universe has selected this person for you. I'm feeling that you are also wishing for this person for a long time, and at the same time, like in the back of your mind, this person is still there. Yeah, this person was still there and is still there, okay. And at the same time, you're working on yourself, you're doing great, and this person comes back around. I'm feeling that you are going to have another merry-go-round with this person, okay. So wow, let's see, where is this Ace of Wands? Where is this Ace of Wands? Ace of Cups. Wow, okay. Two of Cups. Beautiful. Queen of Wands. Wow. And see, just look at it, abundance, Empress energy. Wow, it's beautiful. It was beautiful reading for you, Scorpio. I'm feeling that because you are doing great, you are attracting abundance in money, in love, and in so many aspects of your life. Wow, it's amazing. So Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, Two of Cups, and the Queen of Wands, they have realized that because they also didn't forget about you. You were also having them in the back of your mind, in somewhere, okay, in the subconscious mind of yours. So yeah, they are going to utilize this opportunity for themselves, and they will tell you that, yeah, I have feelings for you, I have love for you, I was the wrong person, I didn't appreciate your efforts. So yeah, all these communication will happen very soon with you, because this is your energy and this is their energy, and then again this is your energy, Queen of Pentacles, and this is their energy, King of Pentacles. So now they want to be the provider, and you are in the receiving mode. So beautiful, okay. So wow, stability, passion, love, abundance, everything is there. So you need to trust the process. Okay, this is the app for you, Scorpio. I hope it helped. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.